Good afternoon, teachers. I am sending you this quick tutorial in response to an email that I recently sent out about our new library search system. You can now access our library catalog from any computer on campus with internet access. You just need to follow these 3 easy steps. I'm going to start this tutorial by typing in the address. You can also use the hyperlink included in the email, and I would suggest to you that you save this in your bookmarks because I think this will be a very valuable and useful tool. So to get started, we're just going to type in the address in the search bar. It'll be SPSD library. As you can see, I've already searched it. FOLEDestiny.com. And so you'll just hit enter, and this window will open, and this is our new catalog for our library. As you can see, you have access to any of the schools in the district. When you first open this window, you'll need to click on Westside Elementary School, and that opens the search box. When the link opens, you can use a variety of search strategies. You can look up things by subject, by the title, by the author. So we're just going to look up a couple of books to kind of show you how it works. So just click in the search box, and I'm going to type in "My mouth is a volcano." And of course it helps if you spell it correctly. And then you'll click on the title button, and it pops up, "My Mouth is a Volcano," book written by Julia Cook. It is available in the Westside Elementary School library. You see right here. Currently, right now, it is not available. There are 0 of 1 copies available for checkout. Now, let's look up a different title. Let's come back up here to Library Search. Click. It takes us back to the same box. And I want to look up a book called The Dragon Thief. So again, I'm just going to type that in. Correct spelling is helpful. Click on title. And it shows that we do not have The Dragon Thief in the Westside Library. Now, The Dragon Thief is written by an author named Zeta Elliott. So since I didn't find it by title, I'm going to search it by author's name. And as you can see, that did not pull up any books. Now, I'd really like to expose my students to some works by Zeta Elliott. So I'm going to go back, and you can search any school in the district. You just have to come down here to where it says location, click the drop-down box, and click on Searcy Special School District. This will allow you to search any school in our district. And again, you go back and type in the author's name, Zeta Elliott. Click on author, and it pulls up that we have 1 book written by her. The title of the book is Bird, and if you'll look up here, it says just that we have it in the district. No local copies. If we click on details, it says there are no local copies of this title. If we had it at any school in our district, it would be listed right here in this area. And then if you wanted to shoot me a quick email afterwards, if you needed this book, I can get any book from any school in the district. Sometimes it takes a couple of days, so you'd have to be sure to give me a couple of days before you need it to get it, but we can get books from any school in the district. Another thing that we can do is we can look up teacher resource books. So let's just say we wanted to look up Math in Practice. Now I know you all have your own copies of these, but just for searching sake, Math in Practice. And it gives you any book that's available within the district in regards to Math in Practice. We also have smartboard lessons. There are videos that you can pull up, not necessarily about Math in Practice, but just for any kind of topic that you need that we have access to through through the library. And this is just a quick tutorial on how to use the new library search system. I hope you all find this tool very useful. Have a great afternoon.